Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build online courses with Thinkific detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Thinkific website. Create a free account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in your details to set up your profile. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Thinkific dashboard. Begin by selecting courses from the left sidebar. Click on the Create New Course button. Choose between the blank course option or one of the available templates. If opting for a template, select one that closely aligns with your course vision. Once selected, enter your course title and a brief description. Click Save to proceed to the course builder. Inside the course builder, navigate to the curriculum section. Start by adding sections to organize your course content. To add a lesson, click the Add Lesson button. Select the format for your lesson, such as video, text, or quiz. Upload your content according to the chosen format. Provide clear titles and descriptions for each lesson. Utilize the drag and drop feature to rearrange lessons as needed. Next, head to the Settings tab in the Course Builder. Set your course price and choose whether it will be free or paid. Customize your enrollment options to suit the needs of your audience. Consider enabling drip content to release lessons over time. Add any required information under the Advanced settings. Save your changes and return to the dashboard. Now, click on Design to personalize your course appearance. Choose a theme that reflects your brand and course objectives. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to enhance visual appeal. Once satisfied, preview your course to see how it looks to students. Return to the dashboard and click on Publish to make your course live. Decide whether to promote your course through email marketing or social media. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.